Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is, write a Python program to find words which are greater than given length k. So given a list of words and given the value of k as input to the Python program, so your task is to find words which are greater than the given length k, and you have to print this onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me accept a string and then convert the given string into a list of words. So let's take a string variable. So this is my variable name, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a string. Let's say enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be stored in this variable. So now let's take another variable, that is in order to store the k, that is a length. So let's take k and use the input function call again, and here let's say enter value of k, and this is of type integer, so let's convert it into from string type to an integer type, and store it into the variable k. So once we get the string as well as the k, so let's convert the given string into a list of words. So let's take another variable, that is words, and use the string, that is a built-in function, to split the given string into words. That is, let me take a string variable and use the built-in function split. Yeah, so this will give us the, that is, list of words that are present in a given string. So once we get the words, so we have to print the or find the words which are greater than the given length k. So for that, let me use some print message. So let's print some user friendly message, that is the words which are greater than k. So let me copy and paste it over here. That is, the words which are greater than given length k is, let's give dot dot dot, and now so we have to find all the words that are greater than the given length k, and we have to print it. So for that, I use a for loop to iterate all the word present in the words. So let's use for word in words. So this is a list of words. So we'll be iterating all the word present in the words and checking if the length of the word, that is this variable, and it should be greater than the value k. So we'll be using the if condition to check if the length of the given word that is present in the words list, and it should be greater than k. So then you have to print the given word, and let's give the space at the end so that it will print the side by side. Yeah, so we keep iterating all the words present in the string and check if the length of the word is greater than k, and print it onto the standard output. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find words which are greater than given length k. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Executing the main program. So let me copy this string. So this is the headline of the program. So let me paste it, and the value of k. So I need the words that are greater than 5. So you can see the words which are greater than the given length k, that is a 5 over here, is Python. So this contains 6, that is a 6 character or the letters, and this contains 7, that is a program, and this contains again 7, that is a greater, and length contains the 6 characters, that is the length of this length word is 6. Yeah, so let me close it. So let me rerun it, and let me again give the same string as input, and let's give something like 3. So you can see the words which are greater than the given length k is this, that is, it has printed all the words which are greater than the length, that is 3. Closing it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find words which are greater than the given length k. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.